Hi graders, welcome to your grammar video class review. Today we're going to go through indefinite pronouns. So as you can see in the example, indefinite pronouns are pronouns that are not referring to a person, place, or thing specifically. We have some examples like everyone, everybody, everything, or everywhere. Okay, so everything is about that you're amazing. I have been everywhere. Everybody needs someone to love. Everyone needs friends. We know and we understand the sentence, but we don't know who are we talking about or who they're talking about. Okay, so that is an indefinite pronoun. Now, as I told you, an indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that doesn't refer to a person, place, or thing. Now, each thinks about the plot. Each is talking about, can be a dog or can be a person, we don't know. But we know that if someone is thinking or something is thinking about the plot of a movie or a movie theater. So we have some examples of some indefinite pronouns. We have the singular part and we have the plural part. We have for singulars, another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, much, neither, nobody. We have no one, nothing, one, somebody, someone, and something. And instead, we have for plural just both, few, many, others, and several. Several means a lot. So these are the two, two sections of the how we can split the some indefinite pronouns. Now, copy this chart in your notebook because you're gonna need it for the exam. Now, in addition to an indefinite pronoun, all, any, most, none, and some are singular or plural. Sorry, depending of the phrase that follows to that indefinite pronoun. When indefinite pronoun is used as a subject or of a sentence, the verb must agree with the number. For example, everyone reads part of the novel. It's a singular. That's why we have to add the letter S at the end of the verb. Several enjoying it very much, plural. We have seen this before, so it's not gonna be that hard for you. Most of the story takes place in England. It's singular. Most of the characters are memorable. So, see the difference? We are using the same indefinite pronouns, but it depends of the context of the sentence. Now, a possessive pronoun often have an indefinite pronoun as their antecedents. In such cases, the pronoun must agree in number. Now, note that the intervening prepositional phrase does not affect the agreement. As you can see here, several are presenting their interpretation of a novel. Okay? Each of the students has his or her ideas about its meaning. As you can see, we are intervening the prepositional phrase doesn't affect what the sentence really says. Now, we are going to do these ones in your notebook. Please do this in your notebook and solve them together. We're gonna write a sentence using the correct verb or possessive pronoun in parentheses. Then we are going to underline the indefinite pronoun and write whether the pronoun is singular or plural. This is in your book. Okay? So I'm gonna do the first one so you can do the rest. So first I said that we are going to write the correct verb for possessive pronoun in parentheses, and we are going to underline as well. So let me take part of that by using this. Now, everyone studies section of Alice Adventure in Wonderland. Now, the correct pronoun is there because we're talking about anyone, okay? We're not talking about a specific person. We're talking about a few. So, the correct one is there. Now, what we're gonna do here is that we're going just to write it. We are going to write the sentence again, rewrite the sentence again. Once you finish all of the sentences, take a picture and send it to me in Modo classes. It's going to be 5 points.